Hello everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. Today we're starting our UsersWP series, where you'll learn everything you need to know about UsersWP plugin. In this series, we'll go step by step from setting up UsersWP and creating login and registration forms to managing user profiles, member directories, settings, and much more. Whether you're just getting started with UsersWP or already using it on your website, this series will help you understand how to use it effectively and build a powerful user-based website. In today's video, we'll be covering plugin introduction and installation. So let's get started.
Today in this video, we are going to talk about WordPress plugin called UsersWP, which is a front-end login form, user registration, user profile, and member directory plugin for WordPress. This plugin is available on wordpress.org that we use for front-end login and registration, and we can also use it for community websites and membership websites. It has several add-ons such as Campaign Monitor, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, Bravo, Aweber, Moderate User Registration, and Enhanced WooCommerce profiles. There are so many add-ons here that we can use to develop community websites via UsersWP, which provides features such as drag and drop, form builder, multiple registration forms, allowing you to assign a different role to each form, login form, edit account, user directory, user profile, password recovery, change password, reset password, author box, and custom menus. And a demo is provided here showing how its community websites are built. The UsersWP demo shown here illustrates how we can develop community websites. First of all, I have created a fresh setup here with a basic default theme in which we will first install and activate the UsersWP plugin. We will go to Plugins, click on Add New, and search in the plugin. Then we'll install it and activate it. As soon as we activate it, the UsersWP setup wizard appears, which says, "Thank you for choosing UsersWP." Now we will click on Let's Go. In the next step, there are some settings that we need to configure, such as anyone can register. Currently, user registration is not allowed, so we cannot do anything with it right now. We can create login, register, members directory, or dummy users. Our dummy users have been created here. Next, we will click on Continue. Then, when we click on Install, all the recommended plugins will be installed and activated. Our plugins are being installed and have now been installed. Next, we will click on Continue, which is the third step, Ready, which says, "Awesome, you are ready to go." This means our setup is complete. Now we will click on Return to WordPress dashboard. So today we learned how to install, activate, and set up UsersWP. In our next video, we will talk about what these UsersWP settings mean and what their uses are.
We are also providing a community website development services. If you need any help regrading community website, you can book a 30-minute free consultation call with our experts. That's all for today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe this video. See you in the next video.